Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working on this 12 by 12 page that you guys see here. And at first, well, let me tell you that I picked this up from Hobby Lobby long time ago. And my intent was to use this, decorate it, very pretty, and actually use it, stick it to the fridge, and then just kind of annotate the family activities of what needed to happen, appointments, kids' activities, whatever. I never got around to doing that. And I picked up a few of these, like I said, from Hobby Lobby, by the Paper Studio. They were 69 cents, but I didn't pay for that. You guys know that I always shop on sale. But anyways, I picked up a few because, again, keep in mind that this was going to be my way to kind of keep my family organized with appointments and things like that. I never got around to it. I think if you want to use that as an idea, it's a-okay. So instead of doing that, I decided to change it up a bit, and instead I'm going to be documenting the month of April, and I am going to decorate it, grab 2x2 pictures, although the squares seem a little bit smaller. Let me see, I think they are 1.5 by almost 1 3/4. So I'm gonna have to trim my pictures a little bit smaller, but yeah, I just wanted to use it to document the month of April. I know it's been hard for all of us, being in quarantine and whatnot, and so I want to document it to say, you know, how my family not survived, but like how my family dealt with this situation. So I kind of wanted to document that. But for this, right, because it is the month of April, I want to be using the kit that I received, my very first kit from Felicity Jane. And I have everything already, the stamp sets, the journaling cards, the ephemera, these little bunnies that I thought were still cute because it's also Easter, so I want to put that in there as well. And so I am going to, honestly, I have no plan. I just know that I want to use this kit, use this, obviously the paper that comes with the kit, and then use it to decorate this page and make it and document this month. It's kind of like a historical thing that humanity's going through, so I kind of want to document it, like what my family did. I want to get a picture. I know these seem so silly, of my son's hair. It is growing ridiculous because he hasn't been able to go to the barber shop, and I was like, oh, let me, you know, that'd be kind of cute to put a picture of your messy hair. I'm sure he's not going to be too pleased with it. Michael's hair is also a hot mess right now. So it's just kind of silly things like that. My flowers, my roses outside are blooming like crazy. So of course I want to have pictures of that as well. And so a lot of positive things in this. I want to take a picture of like all the book stacks that we're reading, because now of course we have downtime to read as much as we want to. So I want to do that and just kind of have like positive outlook, you know, within the situation. So anyways, so one, just wanted to do the intro. 2, I'm going to put you guys on speed mode because decorating is going to be like, you know, it takes me a lot of time. 3, I still have to print my pictures. I already have them prepared. I just need to get my printer out. And 4, I will see you guys at the end of the video to show you the final results. All right, guys, sorry that took forever. I literally had to trim every single picture and kind of fit it in, and I skipped a majority of that work off camera so that I wouldn't make this video so long. But here is my final product or project. I hope that you guys enjoyed. That's what the top looks like. Let me zoom you guys in. Excuse me. That's what the top looks like. This is what April looks like, or this is what April 2020 looks like. And then here just took a picture of me of the kids when we went on our forest walk. Michael took these pictures of a bumblebee just hitting our garden, and geeses on our walk. My flowers, my roses are blooming like crazy. We celebrated Easter on the 11th because Mike was on duty on the actual Easter, which is the 12th. So just put a small picture of the kids' Easter baskets in there. And then over here, I just recorded some of our outdoor activities since, you know, this whole quarantine started. The kids love to sleep in and be lazy, so that's Adriana. Michael's hair growing obnoxious because the barbershops are closed. Me and Mike going on a run/walk for exercise purpose. This is just to resemble me working from home. Of course, my son playing video games, baking, because I've done quite a bit of baking. And then Mike and the kids washing Cholo, and just more of my plants grooming, and then hashtag stay home, which was obviously the popular hashtag during this time. I did journal. I know this may seem surprising because I'm always so lazy about taking my typewriter out, but I actually have a typewriter from like years ago, and I try to journal in here, and I'm not too happy with how it came out. I was trying to make it fit into like one block so that I could just cut individual blocks, but that didn't work out. So then I just ended up cutting strips and adhering them. So basically, the only thing that I don't like is that you have to jump around to read. So basically it says, COVID-19 changed our everyday life. Schools closed and I was able to work from home. Little Mike and Adriana love sleeping in and all the extra time for video games. So far we have explored the forest, taken long walks while the kids ride their bikes. I have kept busy by baking, crafting, and taking care of my roses and plants, which are blooming beautifully. And like I said, the only thing that I didn't like is that you kind of have to jump around to read it, but it does make sense. So I hope that you love the idea. I hope that you hunt these pages. Like I said, I got mine from from Hobby Lobby, and I thought that if I just did simple decorations, then I could put it in the fridge and keep track of everything that was happening for the family within that month. But I never got the chance to do it. I know I told you guys already. So then I just wanted to use one of them to record and document kind of like the situation that we're living. And this is just a small way that my family is dealing with it. And instead of focusing on the negative, I wanted to focus on all the positive that we've been doing by staying home. And, so I hope that you love the idea. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.